Hey there floor cleaners, it's John here, and in this video I want to talk about how you can boost your floor cleaning business through charitable actions and being involved in charitable events. If you've never heard of me before, my name's John Williams and I run a company called AGB, and we specialize in one thing and one thing only: getting floor cleaning businesses like yours booked out with jobs using our specialist digital marketing program. I'm on a personal mission to try and help as many floor cleaning businesses as humanly possible, whether that's through working with us on a one-on-one basis inside of our specialist program or through this YouTube channel. So without further ado, let's dive right in. Okay, so let's talk about boosting your business through charitable actions and charitable events. So another great way to build trust, to get your business out there, to be known in the community and build trust in the community, is to participate in community involvement. If you dedicate your resources to the community, you position your business as an organization that values causes outside of making money. Customers tend to trust organizations who help those in need. If they meet your employees at volunteer events or read about your different charitable efforts on the internet, they're likely to trust you. Once you establish that trust, your chances of growing your business becomes very high. People have motivation to turn to your brand instead of a competitor. And ultimately, people want to do business with decent people. And if you're seen to be a decent business with decent morals, that's going out there into the community, that's helping others, that's putting others first in front of just making more and more money for yourself, that's the kind of business that people want to hire. And it plants that seed, it etches it into their memory. Oh, those are the guys that cleaned all the carpets in that children's ward or whatever for free last year and gave out a load of crayons and stuff to the children. I remember those guys. Awesome that they did that. Guess what? That's the company I'm going to be hiring today, not the others. This guy, because I remember that. Yeah, obviously they're not scammers. They obviously are very well known in the industry. They've done this charitable event. They must be trustworthy, right? So by simply doing that, it builds that relationship with people in your community, and it's a long-lasting relationship. People remember you for those things that you did where you put others first. So if you want to establish authority, trust, respect in the industry, doing charitable things, putting others first is a great way. And I always like to say, when you do things like that, the universe remembers and the universe will reward you. So you can offer your services to charity for free and do something that not only has a positive impact in your community, but like I just said, it also promotes your business and builds trust. You can ask charitable organizations to post on social media the finished job and tag your company, and you'll be surprised how quickly word spreads. So, let's say there's a food kitchen or something like that for homeless people, and you show up in your carpet cleaning van, and then you basically go and spend the day there handing out food to homeless people, and then you get that charity, maybe they're filming the event, they're putting it on social media to tag you, to tag your business, all that kind of stuff. That's going to quickly spread viral all across the internet, and people are going to see that and be like, oh wow, look at these guys helping out. People remember that. You're the guys that did the food, you're the guys that helped out the food kitchen last year. Wow, that's amazing. I saw that on Instagram. How much is 4 rooms in a hallway? I want to hire you guys. You seem like a decent company. Get the point, right? Here's a list. Just kind of get your imagination, get your inspiration flowing. Here's a few ideas, things that you could do in your floor cleaning business in terms of charitable things that may lead to you establishing that trust, authority in your community, and long-term help you grow as a business. So you could clean the communal areas of a school, college, hospital, your local community center, or a church for free. These are all things that will attract a lot of attention to you. Like I just said in the previous slide, get the school to post, to film it, get the kids posting it on social media, go get yourself tagged. Wow, ABC steamers came to our school today, cleaned all the carpets for free. Very, very cool. Same for colleges, hospitals, local community centers, churches, all that kind of stuff. Very easy to do. It's an afternoon of your time, and the payoff of that long term for you, your business, and the respect of the community could be absolutely massive. You can reach out to your local school, offer to come in and give the kids a tour door of your truck. So, you know, when I was a kid at school, you know, sometimes like the fire brigade or the police would come and they'd park up in the playground, and the kids could go and turn the sirens on, sit in the driver's seat and all that stuff. And obviously when you're young, it's all super fascinating, amazing, exciting. You look up to these guys. You could do something similar with your floor cleaning business. You know, if you've got a truck mount, open up the back, the truck mount, turn the thing on, let people see it in action. I'm sure it'd be fascinating to a lot of kids. Let them sit in the driver's seat. I'm sure a lot of the parents and stuff, you know, it's a great conversation starter, and it's a great opportunity for you to talk about your industry and the community and the things that you do and make connections and network. Charitable offerings that don't involve cleaning carpets, like handing out food parcels, working in a food kitchen, all that kind of stuff, I think is super awesome. We're still working with them, with a carpet cleaning company, and they handed out pizzas to like homeless people. They just went, bought a shed load of pizzas, stuck them in the back of the truck, driving around just giving pizzas out to people, all this kind of stuff. It really helps build that respect and trust in your community, and these are memorable things that people will remember for a long time to come and will go a long way in terms of your business in the long term. The key thing though is whenever you're doing these kind of things, don't forget to document it on social media. You could put videos of it on your website. You could do it email marketing, you know, like a newsletter. This is what we did this month. And if you do such stuff like this regularly and you've got like an email list, you can keep your customers, your past customers abreast of all the different things that you've been doing, charitable stuff like that. And it's a great way of staying in front of your past customers without having to just constantly be asking them if they need your service again or trying to stuff some special offer down their throat. You can keep them updated monthly or every 3 months on the latest charitable thing that you've done. It keeps you top of mind in front of your customers, and yeah, it can lead to them reaching back out and thinking, yeah, these are a great company. Next time I need my carpet done, next time I need my tile cleaned, these are the guys that I'm going to be hiring. Final thoughts, summary: doing charitable things can be a great way to grow your business and your brand in the community. However, it's important to note that the priority should be wanting to do the charitable thing anyway and not expecting a reciprocation. Ultimately, as I've just said, if you do good in the world, the universe will reward you. Here's a little quote that I just want to finish on: giving freely and giving with a good heart will never go unrewarded. So I'll leave you on that note. So I really hope that you enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to hit the like and the subscribe button down below so that you get notified when the next video comes out. And if you'd like to find out a little bit more about working with us on a one-on-one basis inside of our specialist program, head down to the description below where you'll also find a link to find out more information. See you on the next video. Peace.